Hey guys, so we are on our way to Chadstone, my son and I. Yes, he's driving, he's on his learners as you can see. And today we are going to LV and he's going to be buying his first LV piece, which is very exciting. I told him when he's old enough we'll buy him his first piece, and so we are off to check it out. So I'll try and film as much as I can, and yeah, you guys always said that you like shopping vlogs, so I thought, yep, it'll be fun to take you along. Plus, I also need to buy a present for my sister-in-law. So if you like these type of shopping vlogs, do let me know. I love taking you guys along, so next time I will do so. Just let me know in the comments below. And we are almost there, so I'll speak to you guys really soon.
Called New Square Bag Reverse. Oh, there's a little compartment here. There. And it's a microfiber lining. So it's very soft money.
This is one of the new styles that is just launched in the reverse. I'll insert the name because I'm not sure what it's called, but I'm loving the reverse. What do you guys think? This is also a new style, and that's what it looks like on me. So I'll just show you how it opens. So it opens like this, and inside is compartmentalized, which is cool, like the pochette Matisse. It's got a little flap. Yeah, so I like the inside. It's actually got more room than I think, and it fits an iPhone 8 Plus as well. And then you just press it down. It's quite cute. Okay, so this is the mini petite malle. It's called the Essential Trunk. It is so cute. So to open it up, it's the same mechanism as the petite malle. And then if you open it up, it's got that little bit of detail there. You probably can fit a lot of cards, and that's about it. But it is so freaking cute. You said there's a lot of girls I can be with. I'm doing forever in a minute. And Papa says he got my love in him. He got me feeling like. Okay, so I'm trying to pick a present for my sister-in-law. How cute are these in the epi leather? It's like a key charm, and you've got 3 little sort of card holders. And yeah, that's just the key holder, though I don't think that will fit her key. And this is a special one for Valentine's Day. How cute. So I really like these pair of shoes. Look at the detail on the heel. It's so cute. It's got the red and the slides, and even these slides too. So these are pretty comfy, probably not really my style, but pretty comfy. There's some of the sneaker range. The reverse mono. I definitely want something in the reverse mono, but just not sure what yet. So how cute is this baby Alma? No, Miss S does not need it, but it's so cute. Look how tiny it is. So this is the size of my hand, and this is the size of the bag. So I'm not sure what happened to the audio of this clip, but basically I'm just introducing my son, who is camera shy like hubby and doesn't want to be shown, but that's okay. We are here to pick him a new wallet, and so he just wants to check it out in real life. And so these are some of the options that he is considering. He loves the clips. There's also the damier band that he loves. And he's not sure if he wants the card holder or the pocket organizer. So yeah, these are just some of the options he is looking at. So these are really nice. Do you reckon hubby will like these? Probably not, but I'll show him anyway. Some of the high tops and just some other sneakers here. The white version I think is a lot nicer. These are quite cute too. And here are some more of the guys range. For all my guy viewers, this is for you.
This is also new. It's a bit different, but it sort of have got that A4 shape to it. So this is the print that has come with this new collection. It's called the Blossom. So basically they have got the flowers sort of splash everywhere on the monogram piece. So if you can see the side as well, back all the way through. So it doesn't only come in city steamer, it also has this print. It's only black though, no red or other colors, only black Mel. So it comes in twist. Also in petite maille, you've got the splash of these black flowers in petite maille, twist, even wallets like the Emily and also Felice bag.
Havana, my heart is in Havana, Havana, una na.
Another style, another sort of tote. So it's pretty quiet now. They're about to close. We've been here for like an hour and a bit, but it's been fun because I have the best sales associate. So if you come to Chadston, make sure you see Shah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed coming to LV with me. If you were wondering what music I used on this vlog, it is actually J Fla's cover of the song Havana. My son and I were listening to it just the other day, so I thought it was perfect to use on this vlog, this Come Shopping With Me vlog, because he got to pick his first LV item. So if you were interested, I will leave the link in the description bar below. And seeing some of the eye candy and getting something for my son, though hasn't officially got it yet, but it is coming. Yeah, so if you like this video, I would love for you to give it a thumbs up. So I thought since the vlog was short and sweet, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all the new season goodies. I seriously have my eye on a couple of those things. If you haven't followed me already, this is my Instagram name here. I did a poll and I asked you, what do you think of the mini petite maille? It's actually called the Essential Trunk. Should I get it? Yay or nay? Please comment below to let me know. But I did want to quickly do a small unboxing on what I picked up for my sister-in-law. And it is in this orange bag, and I picked something up for her. My sales associate is so lovely. She also gave me this, which is the red packet for Chinese New Year, and it's got all the dogs on it, which is really cute because it is the year of the dog. So for all my Melburnian followers, if you do happen to go by Chadston and need a sales associate, I recommend Shah. She is just so awesome. Anyway, let me show you what I picked up for my sister-in-law. It is in this cute orange box with the blue ribbon, and it does have that tag with all the dogs on there as well. I thought that was a really cute addition, and by the time I filmed this video I would have given it to my sister-in-law already, so it's okay. So it's really quite easy to unbox since the ribbon's not wrapped all the way around. So I got her this little cutie, and the reason why I got it for her was because her mum recently purchased for her birthday the Neverfull in the Damier Azur, and I wanted to add to it. She's a relatively new luxury lover, and yeah, I just thought this would be perfect for her, so I bought this little cutie. And this is the Rosalie coin purse. So I chose the Damia Eben or Ebene because, as I said, she got the Azure and I wanted to give her, yeah, just something different as well. And it is lined in the beautiful rose ballerine lining. And I just thought this little card case coin purse is just so cute because it's got space inside for cards, but if you need to put coins as well, you can put coins in there. And I know as a mum myself, she's also a mum, you always need coins for some reason sometimes. So I really hope she loves it. I just think this is such a little cute card case. And it's so nice when she opens up her Neverfull. She also bought the Samorga organizer that she can start having a few sort of little SLGs. I don't know, I just love SLGs. So that is what I bought for her. So thank you so much again for watching my really short vlog. It was so much fun going shopping with my son because he usually doesn't like coming shopping with me, but the item that we got for him, I actually had to order in. So I will reveal that once it comes in. So I will catch you guys really soon in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.